Harmony Part 2, Chords. Just as a review, harmony is when more than one note is played at the same time. When we think of chords, there are generally 3 or 4 notes played at the same time. For now, we're going to just think about 3 notes being played at the same time. And they're generally stacked on top of each other, and usually we use intervals of a third to stack them. So 1, 2, 3, that's 1/3, 1, 2, 3, another third. So a stack of thirds. You call a chord by the bottom note. For example, this note is a G, so this is called a G chord. So here's an A. That's the bottom note of this chord, so that makes this an A chord. The bottom note is a B, so that makes this a B chord. Let's look at a B chord in music and then on the keyboard. So it's a B chord because it's on the B line, then it goes up in thirds. If you look at it in the piano, there's your B, a third, and a third. B, D, F. Here's a G chord in music and on the keyboard as well. G, B, D. Here's a C chord in music, C, E, G, and on the keyboard, C, E, G. Notice that if you were to count the interval on the keyboard, it would be 1, 2, 3, a third, 1, 2, 3, another third. So just to review, a chord is usually harmony with 3 or 4 notes stacked in intervals of thirds, and you call a chord by the bottom note.